Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good evening.
everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, listen, I have a very important information and announcement for you. That information as well as announcement is that we are left with 5 classes only, okay? So we have to now go on a serious pace. And it might be possible that I would extend 10 minutes or something for moving class onwards, like this class onwards, okay? So
Good evening, ma'am.
if it's fine for you, you can, stay back for another 10 minutes. And our game time also will be reduced. So, because we have to first cover up our syllabus and then we'll be doing the other things. So, make sure that we first finish up, okay, the things from our syllabus and then we can move ahead with the additional practice or anything like that. Okay, say Aradhya quickly. And see, guys, no other discussion and something
Good
over
evening,
here
ma'am.
because generally we take it at a normal pace, but now we'll go at a faster pace. So, therefore, other discussions other than what we have learned recently in the class, we'll not take that up right now. Okay, we'll only go with what is related to the topic. Say Aradhya, quick.
Ma'am, I finished the homework set.
Okay, thank you. That's not a doubt. Okay, only if there are doubts, please ask. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, I am Jorna. So, what were you telling?
I was telling that we will be extending the class today onwards for 10-15 minutes, maximum 15, not more than that, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Every class because we have to finish the syllabus on time. Says Anika. And we are left with only 5 classes. So technically 21st July is going to be the last class of our batch. Sad, but says Anika.
Ma'am, I'm going to be eating, so can I keep my camera off?
Yeah, that's okay. All right, everyone. So let's get started. And Parth, look, I got your doubts, but allow me some time. Let's finish these things first, then we'll slowly do it. Okay. Otherwise, is there a possibility, Parth, that I can send you the written solutions of those questions and you can understand from there? If you still don't understand how you got it there, we can discuss it in the class. Okay. Because there are too many. So what I'll try to do is I'll try to give you some written notes, I mean answers. And if you still don't understand, then we can discuss it in the class also. 2, 3 at a time like that. Okay, who is Star? Please rename yourself. Manvik it is.
In total.
Okay, Pat. I'll try to cover it up. Like for example, today my goal is that we'll complete geometry. So if we complete geometry on time, then the remaining time I can do your doubts. Okay. Okay. Manvik, you're too late. We just discussed a very important thing right now. The last homework was set 5. And if you have any homeworks from doubts from set 5, you can tell me. If not, then we are moving to set 6.
Ma'am, luckily I have no doubts for set 5.
Okay. And Manvik, we are left with only 5 classes. So I just said in the beginning that we can extend 10 to 15 minutes in the classes moving forward, like today onwards. No doubts. Number 2, 5, 4, 10. 2, 4, 5, 10. No doubts. 6, 7. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Vishika say,
Ma'am, I have done the exercise but not checked. Sorry, ma'am.
that's okay. I'm sharing my screen. Give me a minute. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, I have a few doubts from another worksheet which is not related to the chapter. Can you clear that doubt of mine during the break?
No, Manvik. That's exactly what I was telling Parth. That if you have any doubts, you have to first send it to Olympiad Success. I will try to send you the written explanation of that in WhatsApp group only. If you still don't understand that, then I can take it in the classroom. because otherwise we have around 3 to 4 new topics which we are supposed to 3 to 4 new topics which we are supposed to complete in 5 classes. So we have to be very swift in our syllabus completion first. So first we'll do that, and if we are doing things in time, completing things every time in time, then we can do it other doubts in the class, because we have been very lenient in taking the doubts in the previous few classes. If you see, we have been discussing questions, and there were few students before in this batch as well who had a lot of doubts because of very small things like even addition, subtraction, because of which we lost extra classes. So that's why this time we have to be a little swift. We'll first finish our syllabus and then move to extra doubts. Say, Aditi.
Ma'am, same, I had one doubt.
Same process, huh? Say, Parth.
Ma'am, I have 2 doubts from set 4 also.
Set 4 doubts you did not ask me last class?
Ma'am, the last class. Ma'am, the last class
Yeah.
I did not do that.
I will not do this. Sorry, I have to give this punishment, Parth, because we are already running late. You can do one thing, you can check the video of the last class part. If that question is already discussed, then you can watch it from there. And if not, then keep it handy. I will discuss it with you in the coming classes. Okay? Or maybe today also, if at the end it's possible. Say, Aradhya, this is the problem, guys. You people have a lot of doubts. That is something for which we are lagging behind so much. Say, Aradhya, quickly. Purvar.
Ma'am, this
Purvar. Hmm.
ma'am, I was not
Say,
able to do
Aradhya.
the homework.
What?
I was not able to do the homework.
Okay. But these homework doubts will not be discussed tomorrow, my next class. Say, Aradhya.
Okay. Ma'am, I sent you
Aradhya.
the 6th question is made up.
Yeah. Question number 2. So look. Sorry. And yeah, second thing, I will not be asking you people to do this question because that also takes a lot of time. You people think, you answer. This also takes time. So another way of saving time is question numbers. I'll be doing them directly. So find the area of the rectangle whose length and width is given to you. Whose doubt was this? Question number 2, Naman. Naman, I am completely fine with answering this question, but I have a doubt. Why do you have a doubt in this question? You are muted.
Ma'am, because my answer came like 34.
That is multiplication issue, Naman. What else should I say? 7 times 2 is 14. Carry 1. Then how did you get a 3? 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8.
Ma'am, we have
84
to
it is.
multiply, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I
So
thought
how
it.
did you get a 34? Did you add it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is not a doubt, Naman. Okay, guys. Moving forward, because today you people will be getting 3 sets as homework for Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I am requesting you people that don't do that question alone. After you're done with the question, come here and check this. You guys are not tiny kids that you will not know how to check the answer key. Go to the answer key and check it from here. Naman, if you would have checked here, you would never have got a doubt here. See, I don't think there can be a better explanation than this.
Ma'am, my 5th and 4th are not no
So
doubt.
next time you people have a doubt, okay, done. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in all the questions which have perimeter in it.
Did you check the answer key?
Yes, ma'am, but I still didn't understand.
Perimeter of which figure?
Find the side of the square.
Perimeter of a square is equals to 4 times the side. Do you know this formula?
No, ma'am.
Why? You were not there last class.
Oh,
So why
yes,
do you
ma'am.
not
I
know
know this
it?
formula. I know this formula, yes.
So 48 is the perimeter. Side is not given to you. So you're supposed to shift the 4 to the other side so that it gets divided and you get 24 as the answer. I mean,
But
sorry,
48
12.
divided by 4 equals 12.
12 is the answer.
Okay,
That
ma'am.
okay?
Got it. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Question number 5 was someone's doubt. Say, Tanisha, what happened?
Ma'am, I joined now because of the network issue. Ma'am, I have no doubts.
Okay. Advika?
Ma'am, I'm sorry. Because of the network issue drained in Pune, so then network is a bit low. And ma'am, today is my half birthday.
By half.
Miss, because today is the day when I turn 10 and a half.
Wow. Happy birthday, half.
Thank you.
Say enough.
Ma'am, I am having doubt in 5th.
So the length of the rectangular screen is 50 and the area is 500. The formula is area is equals to length into breadth. Area is given as 500 and length is given as 50. We need to find out B. So we will shift the 50 to the other side and it will become 500 by 50. How much is that equals to, Arnav?
Ma'am, 0. Ma'am, 10.
Centimeter. That's the answer. Okay.
Mm.
Question number 7. This is a perimeter question. You have to add all the sides up and all the sides should add up to 18, but we are given only 3 sides. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus question mark is 18. So therefore question mark is 6. Got it, Naman? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. So here there are 4 sides out of which 3 sides are already given to you.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, in question 5th. Ma'am, there we should write a square perimeter, square centimeter.
No, because they are asking you the width, not the area. The area is only written as square centimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt from this exercise, anyone?
Ma'am, 10.
Okay. Same type of question, Arnav.
7.
Length is given. 7th one I just did.
Yeah, ma'am. I understand.
And area is 2400. So area divided by length is equals to the width. Length is 120. So what is 2400 divided by 120?
Ma'am, 12. Ma'am, 20.
That's right. Option C. Correct,
Okay.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done. Fine, then let's go. We'll move to the part 6. This part 6 is just a revision of what we did in the last class, provided we will be doing only questions which are like word problems. Okay. So it will be easy for you people to do this. So let me share my screen. Have a look here. You have exactly 1.5 minutes to send me the answer. A square of side 65 centimeter. What is the length of the frame? If it's a square, what will be the length of the frame? Perimeter or area? Perimeter. How to calculate the perimeter of a square? 4 times side. So let's do the calculation with Mishika. Mishika, 65 times 4, quickly.
Ma'am, 5 into 4, 0 to carry over to 60.
260 centimeter. Any doubts, anyone? Always remember the length of the boundary, length of the frame. Any question which talks about the length of any sort of boundary will always involve perimeter of the figure. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mishika.
the question there was 65 square. So, would the answer be will also 260 square only?
No. Square, why will the answer be in square? The side is never represented in square. Side is always a single unit, centimeter. When centimeter is multiplied 2 times, then it becomes centimeter square.
If area would replace side, then
What?
if area would replace the side word,
Then area divided by one of the sides. Then your answer still will be centimeter. Depends on whether you're calculating the area or you're calculating the side or
okay.
perimeter. Everything is centimeter, I mean single unit only except the area. See, how much will be paint? How much will be paint will be area, because in the previous question, you were planning to check the length of this boundary. But now you are planning to check the area inside the square or rectangle in this case. So how to calculate? Manvik, what's the area?
Ma'am, the area is 300 square meter. Ma'am, we need to multiply 15 by 20.
That's correct. Any problem, anyone? 15 times 20?
No, ma'am.
Let me give you a tricky question now. This is that tricky, honestly, but you'll like it. Try this one. The area of a rectangle is given to you as 96. If the breadth of the rectangle is 8, then what is its length and the perimeter? Say Parth.
Ma'am, the length and perimeter respectively. And the first one's length and the second is perimeter.
Hmm. Say Reanshi.
Ma'am, I got to drink water.
Yeah, sure. Sadhna, what's the length?
Ma'am, 12 cm.
Very good. Area divided by breadth is equals to length we just now did while we were discussing the doubts with Arnav. So 96 by 8 is going to be 12 centimeter. These two options are out. Now, Samriddhi Singh, how to calculate
Yes,
the
ma'am.
perimeter of a rectangle? Formula?
Ma'am, ma'am,
No problem. You can think. Shania, formula, perimeter of a rectangle?
ma'am, ma'am,
No worries. Take your time. Vedant, perimeter of a rectangle? Formula?
Ma'am, perimeter is Ma'am, perimeter.
Ma'am,
Yeah. No second chances, please. We are running. Adya, perimeter of a rectangle formula?
Ma'am, length plus width into 2.
Thank you. Where we have the width as 8, length as 12. So 8 plus 12 is how much, Adya?
Ma'am, 8 plus 12 is 20.
And 20 times 2 is?
40.
So the answer is option A. Please tell me if you have a doubt, anyone. Thanks, Adya. No
Okay,
doubts? Say Aradhya, Manoharan.
ma'am, I still do not understand how we got like 40 centimeter.
Because we use the formula of 2 times length plus breadth. That is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We calculated the length from here, that is 12 centimeter, and the breadth is already given in the question as 8. So we added 8 plus 12, we got 20, and we multiplied 2 with it.
Yes, ma'am. Now
Got
I
it?
understood, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vedant.
Ma'am, for the rectangle, ma'am, when I imagine the rectangle, I'm not understanding the length. Like, what does it mean by the
You don't
length?
have to. It doesn't matter. Its commutative property, length and breadth are plus. So it doesn't matter whether you take this as the length or you take this as the length. Generally, this is length, this is breadth, but it doesn't matter if it is interchanged.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Arnav, say.
Ma'am, I understood.
Very good. Okay, another question is going to be a hard question for you people. Hard in the sense that it's a previous year question paper. Just try this one. Bhumik, say.
By mistake.
Okay.
By
Also, one more thing.
mistake.
Yeah, I understood. Please understand one thing over here, everyone, that all dashes means what? All sides are equal. So even though it does not look like a square, it is a square. Just like this. 4 dashes. It is a square of 4 centimeter. This is also a square of 4 centimeter. It's not drawn to scale. Okay? Now read the question and tell me the answer in the chat. This one is a long one. Will take your 1.5, 2 minutes maybe. There's a previous year question paper. Anirudh, what's the area of part A which I have noted?
Ma'am, area of part A. Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
so it's area of square. Ma'am, so 2 into
A.
A is rectangle.
Yeah.
Area
So
of,
what is the area of this?
okay. Length into width. 2 into 6. 12.
Multiply.
12.
2 into 6 is 12. 12 centimeters square is the value of A. Ibrahim, what's the area of B?
Ma'am, it is going to become 16.
4 times 4, 16.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sanika, what's the area of C?
Ma'am, the area of C is gonna be, ma'am, 16.
That's correct. Same. Even though they don't look same, but as I have already given you an explanation, the 4 dashes means they are of the same side. Say Shania. Say Shania.
Sorry,
By
ma'am,
mis-
accidentally.
Arnav, say quickly.
Ma'am, 5 do be not divided by 2.
Why would we divide it by 2? It's area. This is a square. We divide by 2 for a rectangle. Sorry, triangle. Don't get confused. Riyansh, add up all 3 of them and tell me what is the area of all the shaded part.
Ma'am, first 12 plus 16 plus 2 plus 6 equals to 8. 8 plus 6 equals to 14. No, 14. So here we will
Fast.
write, ma'am.
Yeah.
So here we will write 4 and 3 plus 1 plus
You
3 plus 1 plus 1. And ma'am, the answer is 24. Like 44.
44 is right. Be fast next time. 44 centimeters square is the area of the shaded part. Aradhya Manoharan, can you tell me the area of the whole figure? Turn on your videos, guys. If your videos are not on, then you can leave the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, area of the whole figure. What's the length of the whole figure and what's the width of the whole figure?
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
Hanifa, can you help?
Ma'am, the
Pay
length
attention. I
is
should not hear a doubt from you. Hanifa is helping. Pay attention, Aradhya. You should understand when she's explaining. Riyansh, your turn is over. You have a doubt?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I please go to washroom?
Yeah, no need to ask. Go. Okay, fine, Hanifa, continue. What's the length and the breadth?
The length is 12.
That's
That is
right.
12, and the bottom one is also 12.
No, we don't need the bottom. We need the length and the breadth. So we don't need this and this. We need this and
Mm.
this. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So this is 12. This is 8. What is the area?
12 into 8 is 96.
96. Thank you. So now we have a second. 96 as the whole area and we have shaded as 44. Thank you, Hanifa. So let's do a quick calculation. Naman, just do the formality. Add up 44 with 96 quickly.
Ma'am,
Tell me what do you get fast.
Ma'am, 6 plus 4, 10. Ma'am, 1 carry 10, 14. 140. 150, ma'am.
Come on, I'm confusing you. Understand this. It's 140. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 40. So 140 is the right answer, everyone, right? Option C. Any doubts? Ask. Nanika, you're too late.
Ma'am, I was traveling, sorry. I just wanted to say that.
That's fine. You missed a lot of things because today we are finishing all the 3 parts of geometry. And we have also discussed a lot of things which I'm not going to say again. So you'll have to see the recording. Say, Tanisha.
Ma'am, I didn't understand that when you calculated the area of the whole figure and then added it to the ABC parts, but the whole figure has the parts, so why should we add it?
No. We should separately add it. That's the question. Read it. And sum of the area of the shaded part plus again the area of the whole. So the question asks it.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Another very interesting previous year question paper for you people. Once we are done with this, we'll be done with part 6. Two corners of a square napkin are folded as shown. Find the perimeter of the napkin when it is unfolded. For that, remember there are two major keywords here. Keyword number 1, keyword number 2. Devashri,
Yes, ma'am.
if I say it's a square, then what information do I have about their sides?
That all of their sides are having the same length.
Correct. So can you find out the length of one side from
Yes.
this image?
15 centimeters.
Why are you breaking your... You're not sure. Okay,
Yes, I'm
15 centimeters. Why? Because this is 9, this is 2, so 11, and this will open up and occupy this much only, 4. So 11 plus 4, 15. That makes one side of the square napkin as 15. And since it's a square, it has all the sides equal, just like Devashri mentioned. So if this is 15, all of this is 15. And now you know your answer, everyone. 15 times 4, say Parth.
Understand how did we get 15? How did we plus 4?
Because this will be unfolded and open up like this. Yes? Will it be a rectangle, Parth?
No, ma'am, but I think it should be 9 and it should be open like this.
No, I'm not opening this. I'm considering this side. I'm considering the top. So this is already 9 till here. This is already 2 till here. And I'm just waiting to open this. If I open this, this will come here. So 4 will come here. Because the rectangle's opposite sides are equal. Okay. Okay, thank you. Shania, why are you showing me your desk? Samriddhi Srivastava, say.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how it will get folded.
It will get folded, unfolded. This white part will open up like this. You remember paper cutting, paper folding, reasoning class? Have we done this in reasoning class yet?
No.
No, we are about to do that. So when we'll open this, right? So what will happen? This part will look like this.
Mirror image.
Yes, mirror imaged, correct. So this is your mirror and it will be exactly over here like this. Now the interesting thing is that this entire thing is a rectangle, Samriddhi. So if this is 4, this is also 4. Opposite sides.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Fine, everyone. Done. Yes, Arnav, say
Ma'am, what is the answer of 8?
60 centimeters. Okay. Okay, fine. Any doubts you can ask me from area and perimeter. Say Aradhya. Camera, camera. Do you have an internet problem?
Yes, ma'am. You're having
Aradhya?
something. Yes, ma'am.
I don't really feel that there is any glitch in your internet. But anyway, say.
Ma'am, now I understood the area and perimeter.
All right, fine. Good to know that. Now, part 7 is basics of triangles. Do not worry, we will not be doing the area and the perimeter of the triangle because that's not in the syllabus. We'll only be discussing the relationship between diameter. We'll be discussing a radius, okay, and similar things. Let me share my screen. Say Parth.
Ma'am, can I tell something about diameter and radius?
Okay, be fast, huh? 1 minute.
Ma'am, diameter is the double of radius.
Thank you. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, in school we have learned diameter and radius.
Perfect then. Then it will be too good for you people to understand
ma'am,
here.
too
Say
easy.
Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I think the part said it wrong because a diameter equals to radius, and I
He,
think he said something else. I
he
think.
said ulta pulta. Diameter is the double of the radius. I think that's what he said. I heard, so I did not
Ma'am, I said
remember
this
now.
only. Diameter
No
is double
problem.
of.
It's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's not something to discuss now. Naman, say.
No, nothing, ma'am.
So look, everyone. Out of all the 6 definitions you see here on the screen, only 3 of them are important. Radius, diameter, and chord. Radius is that line which starts from the center and touches any one of the points on the circle. So you can draw this, you can draw this, you can draw this, any line starting from any point on the center and going up to any point on the circle is called as the radius. And the radius is always equal. And that's why we call this figure as a circle, because all the points in the plane are at a fixed distance from the center, equidistant. And that equidistance is called as the radius. Okay, that's why the circle is a circle and not any other random thing. Like my hand drawn circle is not a perfect circle because the radius would be different in all the corners. Okay. Now coming to diameter. Well, yeah. Before I talk about diameter, I'll talk about chord. So imagine this is the center. And I draw a line segment which is not crossing through the center. So if I draw a line segment which joins one point on the circle to another point on the circle, but it does not pass through the center, then it is called as a chord. Technically, what I said is not correct because chord is a line segment joining one point on the circle to the other. That's the only definition. Hold on, Anirudh. Now, chord can be of any length. Chord can be from any point from one side to another side. Anyways, but the chords which pass through the center, the chords which pass through the center are called as diameter. So you can also say that diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord, or diameter is a special chord which passes through the center of the circle. Also remember, you all have learned, I don't know if you have geography, but have you learned latitudes, longitudes? Don't raise your hand, just give me a thumbs up. Okay. All right. Now, just latitude. Okay. I'm showing you an example of latitude. So this is small, this is small, this is small, right? Like this. So I'll now make straight lines. I'll make chords. This, this, this. Look at the length. The more closer I get to the center, the more longer the chord gets. The more closer I come to the center, the more longer my chord gets. And as I start going down again, my length will decrease. Away from the center, the chord's length decreases. Anirudh, say, what were you saying?
Ma'am, that's what I was about to say, that diameter is the longest.
Thank you. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, I understand the chord, but I didn't understand by definition.
So definition is where a line segment joins one point of the circle to another point. That's a chord. Okay. Okay. For your question, is this a chord? Is this a chord? Joining the center to the point on the circle? That's the radius. Okay, one more last question, huh? Ouch. Yeah, one more last question. This and this. Is this a chord? Two lines. Yes or no? No? Okay. That's right. It's not a chord. Chord should be a line segment. So line segments never take a turn like this. It's a straight single line. Say, Rianshi.
Because it's a radius.
It's not a radius. It's two different radiuses. Plural form of radius is called as radii. Plural form of radius is called as radii. Let me show you a quick question. Come on, fast. Answer this in the chat box. Shrihan, what's the answer of the first one?
Miss, times, 2 times.
Perfect. Rianshi, second one.
The diameter of a circle is the dash chord of the circle. Center?
We just discussed it in the last slide, Rianshi. Center chord, is it a thing?
No, ma'am.
Aditi, the diameter of a circle is the dash chord of the circle.
Longest.
Longest. Samriddhi Srivastav, diameter of the circle passed through?
The center.
Thank you. Everyone okay with this? Any doubts? Say Sadhna.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, so diameter equals to 2 into radius, so radius equals to diameter divided by 2.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll have
Thank you.
some questions on that. Oh my God, that's the easiest question on the slide today. Aradhya Purvar, over to you. Question number 1.
Yes, ma'am. The total number of diameter of a circle is 1.
Oh,
No,
on.
ma'am, it is uncountable.
Yes. Any line, any chord passing through the center is a diameter, and there can be multiple diameters which we can make in a circle, making the answer as infinite or uncountable number. Is that okay, everyone? Remember this, infinite. This is a fact. Say Samriddhi.
Ma'am, didn't understand why is it uncountable.
Because it's uncountable. Take this as a homework. Keep drawing lines and it will never end. It will never end. All these lines are diameter. And you can go with very, very, very tiny lines also. I mean very close lines also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, when we completely color a circle, I think we have colored all the diameter and drawn them, but we just can't count them.
Yeah. And don't go by 360-degree here because it's not necessary that your lines or your diameters will be 1 degree apart. You can make a diameter 0.00001 degree apart also. So possibility like that exists too. Okay. Okay, try this question, everyone. Oh my God, so super simple questions. We'll finish this and we'll go for a break. Shivani, answer.
Ma'am, the answer is chord.
God.
Yes.
Alexa, stop. Shivani, God.
Yes, ma'am.
She took a safe answer, and that is the right answer also. This people get confused between diameter and chord a lot, but remember that all diameters are chord. Write it down. All diameters are chords, but all chords are not diameters. And that's why the safer answer here is the chord, because joining 2 points on the circle is done by diameter also and chord also. But not every chord is a diameter. Therefore, we will go with the safe answer of chord, because all the diameters are chord. Any which ways we will call them as chord only. Say Vedant, then we'll go to Arnav.
Ma'am, this time I got confused with chord and radius.
I mean, I did not get your doubt. I mean, you have a doubt, or you're saying this that you got confused and now you're not confused.
No, ma'am, I'm having the doubt.
What's the chord and what's the radius?
Yes, ma'am, the difference.
This
So
is a
this-
radius and this is a chord. Connects one point of the circle to another point, and radius center to any point on the circle.
Oh, okay, ma'am. But a radius can be a chord, but a chord cannot be
No,
a radius.
no relationship between chord and radius.
Okay, ma'am. It is only between chord and diameter, but what about circumference?
Circumference is the length of the boundary.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Perimeter of a circle, basically. Sorry. Say Devashri.
Ma'am, so here they're saying any 2 points. So can the line also, so if you put it on the side, the lines then can also go through the middle
Like
point?
this. Oh, shoot. This.
I understood my doubt.
Okay. All right, then, everyone. Let's do a numerical question. Okay. You have only 30 seconds to solve it. Your time starts now. Samriddhi Singh, I'll come back to you. Not ready with the answer. Nanika,
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready with the answer.
go ahead.
So it's D, 32 centimeter.
Very good. If the diameter is given as 64, the radius is half of the diameter. Sadhna asked this to me a few minutes back. So 64 by 2 is equals to 32 centimeter. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Hanifa, clear? Okay, fine. Then the next question goes to Arnav. Arnav, first answer should be the right answer,
Yes,
okay?
ready? That find the diameter of the given circle in centimeters. 3 centimeter. Ma'am, 6.
Congratulations on your wrong answer. Advika, no changes now. I told you, correct answer in the first attempt only.
Yeah.
Advika,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you think? Why will I call you?
Ma'am, to answer.
So answer no. Don't waste time. We are very, 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 very fast now.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is um, ma'am 60 C. 60 millimeters.
Yes. How did you get 60? Tell me that.
Ma'am, because I did 3 plus 3, that's 6, and 10 millimeters make 6.
10
Cent-
millimeters makes 6 centimeters.
Sorry, 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter, so 60 millimeters will make 6 centimeters. So the answer is 60C.
That's right. Arnav, did you understand? Manvik, did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
You people have done a mistake. 3 plus 3 is 6 centimeter. But the question is asking you the answer in millimeter. So 1 centimeter is 110 millimeter. So therefore, 6 centimeter will be 60 millimeter. General trap question. No doubts, right? Okay, then everyone. In that case, let's go for a quick 5 minutes of break. Okay. And we'll come back and then do the last part. That is volumes of cubes and cuboids. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, will we have a match today?
Looks difficult only when we finish cubes and cuboids. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. See you. Welcome back. Okay, so let's get started with the 3D figures, that is cubes and cuboids. Remember, we will only be covering cubes and cuboids, okay, as per your schedule. So let's cover up what is volume. Now I'll be talking about it, so let me complete it. Okay. Volume is when you are trying to measure the capacity which can fit inside something. So far, when you were trying to calculate the area, you were trying to calculate how much thing what all things can come in this particular block. In this, we had only two dimensions, length and breadth. But when we talk of 3D figures, see, suppose let's say practically there is no thing around us which is a 2D figure, but take the help of this. Suppose this is a flat charger, okay? And imagine it doesn't have any height. Vedant, what are you doing?
Ma'am, just looking down.
So if it is a flat surface like this, imagine no height, flat surface, this is the length, this is the width. Okay. So when we are doing this, I can only paint it. So if I can paint it, that's my area. But imagine I take it as a 3D figure, which has a height also. Let me draw it on the screen. A 3D figure has length, width, as well as height. The moment I do this, I can tell you how much anything, water, any element, it can hold inside this particular 3D figure, right? So when we have a 3D figure, we can calculate the amount which can be filled inside the figure. Say, Tanisha. Don't tell me you missed the class or you missed 5 minutes or anything like that. What did you do? You missed it. I'm not repeating it. Sorry. You will understand. We're
Ma'am,
just talking about
you
volume.
have started the cube.
No, we are talking about volume. So volume is the quantity which a particular 3D figure can hold inside it. Now the two 3D figures or three-dimensional figures which we will be talking about is cube and cuboid. Now, I have a quick question for you people. Rectangle and square. Cuboid and cube. Can I say that just like rectangle is to square, cuboid is to cube? Yes. Just like rectangle has opposite two sides equal, but when you make all the four sides equal, we call it a square. Similarly, cuboid also, the length, breadth, and height can be different. But when all the length, breadth, height becomes the same, exactly same, then we call it as a cube. Say, Vedant.
Ma'am, rectangle can be square, but square cannot be rectangle. Ma'am, rectangle can always be square.
All squares are rectangles, but all rectangles are not squares. Squares are special rectangles which have all the sides equal.
Yes, ma'am. Like that's only all cubes are cuboids, but all cuboids can never be cubes.
Correct. Advika, say.
I know this is a bit off topic, but are we gonna play a game today?
Run away. Run away. Arnav, say. Advika,
No.
please don't do this. This is not off topic. This is completely away from the thing. And it's already been discussed also. Vedant asked it before going for the break. That means you were not paying attention. Please don't do this in the middle of a class, Advika. If that is the motivation to stay in the classroom, then please go. Right now, go away. We are discussing something important. You can see that we are running so fast also. In the middle of that, you are asking, you have that audacity to ask me this in the middle of the class. That means your entire motivation to stay here in the class is that. Then why are you even joining the class? Watch the recording. Go. Aditi, please continue. I don't even have time to scold you. You know that. Go ahead, Aditi.
Ma'am, is basically a cuboid, a 3D rectangle, and a cube, a 3D square.
You can say so. That's right.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, did Vedant just ask that cuboid is a cube and
No. You heard it wrong. He said it correct. All cubes are cuboids, but all cuboids are not cubes.
oh, so cubes are cuboid, square is rectangle.
Yeah, they can follow this relation. Say, Anirudh.
Ma'am, so cuboids and cubes are just the 3D version of rectangles.
Rectangles and squares. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, look at this one, everyone. This is very, very important. Just like in the case of area, we were writing centimeter square. There is centimeter into centimeter. In the case of volume, we are writing centimeter cube. Why? Why? Because the formula of volume is length into breadth into height. So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. And that makes the unit of volume as centimeter cube. Is that okay? Say Arnav.
Ma'am, what is the difference between B and H? Breadth and height.
I showed you with the help of a charger, right? Wait,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
show you here also. So look at this figure. Here you can say that, let's say this is the breadth.
Breadth.
Okay. Okay. Or let's
Yes.
say this is the length for your ease. This is the length. This is the breadth.
Breadth.
And this is the height.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And these are all interchangeable. So don't worry about that. I mean, you can change L anything, H anything, B anything. Okay, fine. Look at this one, everyone. There are 3 things which you people need to know about cuboids and cubes. That is, number 1, faces. Number 2, vertices. And number 3, edges. So what are faces? Faces are those squares and the rectangles which we have in a cuboid or a cube. So there is a front face, there is a back face, there is a left face, there is a right face, there is a top face, and there is a bottom face. So total how many faces? 6 faces. Front, back, top, bottom, left, right. What are vertices? Vertices are dots, points. So look, how many points do you have in this figure? Point number 1, point number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 vertices or 8 points in a cuboid and cube both. And last, what edges? Edges are the straight lines which join the two vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many lines or edges? 12. So you can memorize this. 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. And this is not only for cuboid, it is also applicable for cubes. Same number, no changes. Cubes and cuboids. Any doubt, anyone? You can ask. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, I know nothing changes for cube and cuboid, but doesn't the length of the face in cube and cuboid change?
Change in the
The-
sense?
Like the size of the face, like the size
Yeah.
also.
That can change. But then the number of faces and vertices and edges will never change. Size of the face can be smaller, bigger, doesn't matter. This number fixed. This number is fixed.
Okay, ma'am.
How to know what is the volume of a cuboid? We just discussed the formula length into breadth into height. So look at this question and tell me the answer. Choose the right unit. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, what are dimensions?
Dimensions means sides. Length, breadth, height. 3 dimensions. 3D.
Okay.
Part say.
Saying that 10 centimeter, it will be 10 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter, the answer we get multiplied by 50, or 10 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter, and we can do in a random order.
Any random. Because it's multiplication, no? So commutative property. You can multiply A with B or B with A. Doesn't matter. Same answer.
So ma'am, can we do that 10 centimeter multiplied 15 centimeter, we get 150 centimeter and then
150?
multiply it with 12.
Absolutely. Same answer. The answer will be 1800. And what will be the right unit? The correct unit will be cubic centimeter because that means centimeter cube. Three things, right? So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. Any doubts? Any questions? We know. Yeah, Samriddhi said.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask that, is it the same for cube?
Absolutely. That's the next question I'm going to give you right now. So in the case of cube, all the sides are equal, right? So therefore, do we have a separate length, width and breadth? No. In the case of cube, we have everything same. Okay. And therefore, we call it as length into length into length or side into side into side. Try to solve this question. You will get it, what I'm trying to say. All the sides are same, 7, 7, 7. So what should be the volume in that case? Tanisha, what's the answer for this one?
Ma'am, the answer is A, 49 cubic centimeter.
Not correct. Hanifa?
Ma'am, it's D 343 cubic centimeter.
Correct. Because 7 times 7 is 49, Tanisha, but 49 times 7 is 343. So we have to do side times side times side. And the unit will be centimeter cube.
Ma'am, I did it like I forgot and I did it 7 into 3.
But 7
Then
into 3 is
also I
also
will
not
not
49.
get it. I must.
Any doubts, anyone? Wow, we are on time. No doubts? Okay, great. Then I want you people to try something which is a chocolate question. So first chocolate question for you people. They are asking us to go by the option method, but if you people are aware of cubes of numbers, then you don't even need the option method. You can directly tell me the answer. See, the volume is already given. Either you do the cube root, which is, who does that? Or you go by the options. Say, Reanshi. Answer.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to test time.
Say. Fast. We'll run.
Ma'am, the answer is B.
That's correct because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Thank you. Say, Arnav.
Man, can we do like this? 27 in 27, only 3 comes in the 27 table.
27 comes in the table of 3. Very good. Yes, you can do that. Say, Samriti. Sarthak. No. Say.
Ma'am, I did it by
You
this
look like a
method.
banana.
He loves
Sorry,
bananas, by
Samriti.
the way.
Say that again. Oh, he does? Minion. Say, Samriti.
Ma'am, I found it like this. I first divided it by 3. I got 9 and then I again divided it by
Again
3 again.
divided by 3. Yeah. Say, Sadhna, then we'll go to Tanisha.
Ma'am, what if like they give a big number? So like
Yeah.
do we
So
go
in
in the
that
option
case,
method?
in that case, you have to learn the cube roots of the numbers, Sadhna, because cubic root is not what you have learned how to calculate that. And second, you will get the options. So you'll have to do the option work. Option work means look for the last digit and then do it. If it's a big number.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
they'll not give you the. Say, Tanisha.
Ma'am, I did it like this. Like we multiply height, base, and the length and breadth. So 3, we multiplied 3 times. That's why 3. The answer was.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, people, a previous year question paper. Kudos. Sadhna, you wanted to say something or you forgot to unraise your hand?
No, ma'am, I forgot to unraise my hand.
Anirudh, say.
Ma'am, as the question said, I used option elimination method. That 27 is not divisible by 5, and then 27 does not come in 4's table, and 2 is
Hey, we
very less
already
for
discussed that,
27.
Anirudh. Don't repeat that. We just said the divisibility rule. Arnav said that, I remember. He checked that only number divisible by 27. Sorry, 3 is the only number which divides 27. Okay, fine. Question number 4, everyone. What's the formula we know for the volume? Manvik, volume of a cuboid is equals to?
Ma'am, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height.
In these 4 things, what are the 3 things which are given to you?
Ma'am, the volume. Ma'am, the volume, breadth, and length.
Exactly. Imagine anything is okay. Huh? Just imagine anything is okay. Suppose length is not given, x according to them. And let's say
Ma'am,
5 and 12 is given.
5 is 60 and 60 multiplied by 6 is only 360. So 6 centimeters.
Absolutely correct. Thank you so much. Everyone is okay? 6 centimeters, or you have a doubt? DOUBT. We are on time. Good job. We can take 2 doubts, 2 to 4 doubts, and then we can have a match. Okay? So stay back for 4 more questions. 2 from Parth, 1 from Manvik, 1 from Aditi. And then keep your questions ready, guys. Yeah, Aradhya, say. Then I'll go to Arnav.
Ma'am, I do not quite understand how we got 6 centimeters.
Because see, the volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height. Out of this, only 2 information is given, breadth and height. They have not given us the length, they gave us as x. But they have given us the volume, which is 360. So if we don't know this, we can find this out by dividing the quantity. So we will shift the 60 to this side and we'll get the answer as 6.
Yes, ma'am. Now I understood, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, I was having same doubt. And now I understand.
Done that. Okay. Fine. 1 second. Where did this guy go?
Keep.
1 second, guys. Those who are waiting for game, you have to wait a little more, at least 8 more minutes. Okay. I'll first do the questions. These questions are important for you people too because, oh no, I can't paste it here. Come on. Yeah. So, Parth.
Oh, Newton.
Oh, I'm not sharing screen. Parth. Parth.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramesh wants to paint his room. The height is given, the length is given, the breadth is given. I need to find out the total area of the ceiling. So for the area of the ceiling, do you think that the height of the room is required?
No, ma'am.
Area of the ceiling is one face only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
The figure. So we don't need the height. We just need the length and the breadth. So 15 times 12 should be our answer. But why is it not there in the options? Including the, oh, this is a surface area question. Parth, this is a surface area question. You can skip this question. This is not a part of your syllabus. It's a surface area question. This is a surface area of cuboid. Which is, you can skip this question. Okay. Surface area is, this is not a question of a normal. This is like, you have to find out all the 6 faces except the floor. So we'll not do this. Okay. You can skip it. I'll ask Olympiad Success to, remove this because it should not be. It's a random question added in this. 1 second. Why can't I reply on this? Okay, I'll reply later. Then this one is. Find the perimeter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I know what happened.
When there are 2 doubts of Parth.
Yeah. So.
Oh.
So. Okay. Done. Okay, look at this one, everyone. The perimeter of 2 squares is 40 and 32. So from here, we'll find out the side part. The side will be 40 by 4, that is equals to 10, and 32 by 4, that is equals to 8. Now, you have to find out perimeter of
Ma'am,
a third
why by
square.
4?
Come on, Parth. Perimeter of a square formula is
Oh, yes, ma'am.
4 times side. So side is equals to perimeter divided by 4. Okay. So now come to this. The side is 10 and 8. Now find the perimeter of a third square whose area is equals to the difference of the area of the two squares. Area of this square is 100 and area of this square is 64. So what is the difference, Parth?
36.
If 36 is the area, then which number multiplied with itself gives you 36? That will be the side of the third square. First, 6 into 6.
Yes, ma'am. 6 into 6.
So the side of the third square will be how much?
6.
6 centimeter. If side is 6 centimeter, then what is the perimeter?
24 centimeter.
That's right. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, Parth, one more I'll take from your side and then I'll go to Aditi and Manvik. Please be ready with the questions, okay?
Ma'am, I put a
sending
question
you
in the chat
question.
box.
Okay, I'll do
I'm
that.
sending you the question. It's a bit lengthy one and a confusing one for me.
I mean, I don't understand. How would you share that with me then?
Ma'am, I am writing the question.
You're typing it. It will take a lot of time then. Why can't we can do
Ma'am,
it in the
I'm on
next
the
class also?
option. Just need to write the
Acha,
4
acha.
options.
Okay, okay, okay. Say, Shanaya, you want to leave?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay, Shanaya. Bye. If it's
Bye.
not your doubt, no need to stay. It's okay. Bye. Okay. Here we go. Next one. Manvik, sorry, Manvik Singh. Parth. This is a HCF LCM question, Parth. This is the side. These are the two sides of a floor. And you have to cover this area with square tiles. All the tiles will be of the same length. Okay? Length and breadth. Now, you have to find out what's the maximum number of square tiles you'll be using. Understand this very carefully. When you're using the maximum number of square tiles, the size of the square tiles you are using should be minimum or maximum?
Maximum, ma'am.
How? You
Ma'am,
think no, if the
find
size,
the maximum number of square tiles.
that's number of square tiles, maximum number. I'm talking about the size of the square tiles. Anyways, it's okay. Don't worry. First, convert it into centimeters. Can I call it 544 centimeter and 374 centimeter? You're muted.
Ma'am, I am thinking.
1 meter is 100 centimeter. What do you mean you're thinking?
Yes, ma'am, we can call it.
Now find the HCF of this. HCF will give you that factor which can divide this also and this also. Say enough.
Ma'am, can it be 4?
HCF, you calculated it.
HCF. Ma'am, I'm calculating.
Because see, the smallest factor is 1. Okay, can I help you out, Parth, because calculation will take time and we are running short. The HCF will be 34. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. The HCF will be 34. Now that we know that the HCF is 34, I know that if I want a square tile, that should be of the size of 34 centimeter into 34 centimeter. Right? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
if I want to know how many such square tiles should I use, then I need to divide the area of the floor by the area of one tile. What is the area of the floor part? 544 into 374? Yes? No, don't multiply. Just saying yes or no. Length into breadth?
Ma'am, what?
Is it true that the length and the breadth is multiplied to give you the area of the floor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And area of one tile will be 34 into 34.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just one quick check. Okay. Divide these numbers by 34 and you get your answer. So divide 544 by 34. You'll get 16. Okay. You got 16. Then 374 divided by 34. You can use the calculator now if you want because we are running short of time. It will give you 11. So finally, that means the number of tiles which I'll use is 16 times 11. How much is 16 times 11?
Ma'am, 176.
I couldn't really hear your answer. It was useless.
Ma'am, 176.
That's correct. So that's the answer part, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Aditi, your doubt. Where is that?
Ma'am, this HCF LCM type question is in syllabus.
Yeah, HCF we have done. No, factors and multiples. This can come.
This
It's
can
like
come.
HCF LCM combined with area. So yes, it can come.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Where is the question?
Thank you, ma'am.
What is the predecessor of minus 300? Welcome, Parth. Minus 300's predecessor. Always remember, Aditi, that predecessor is always a minus 1. So even if it's a negative number, you do a minus 1 to minus 300, you get a minus 301. And in a number line also, if 300 is here, then on this side it will be minus 299. And on this side it will be minus 301. So predecessor will be 301 negative. Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. And last doubt. Where is where is it?
Ma'am, are you
I
sending?
can't see it now.
Ma'am, shall I
Manvik, wait. Okay, now I got it. The complement of 1/4 of a straight angle will be what? That's the doubt, right? Question. Why have you written the options 2 times?
Ma'am, they are not options. They have given like these things to tell. And
Oh, got it. Right. Oh my God. This is the question, everyone. Look. So the complement 1/4 of straight. Sorry. 1/4 of straight angle is 1/4 of 180. 180 divided by 4. 4 times 4, 16, 45. Now, what is the complement of 45? Complement of 45 will be 45 only, Manvik, right? 90 minus 45, 45. Now, the answer 45 is not just acute, but it is also half of a right angle. So, therefore, A and D both. That's the answer. Did you get it?
Actually, ma'am, I had done this answer, but I had like a confusion in this. I didn't understand that acute part, that how is it that acute?
Okay. Sorry, I was speaking so continuously that. But I'm fine now. Thank you so much for your good wishes, everyone. I'm not having any longer any fever now. Just cough and cold. I'll be fine. Okay, fine then. Let's get started. And what are we playing? You guys waited so much, so thank you for that. We'll have a small 5 minutes match. So let's have something very small, not a very long one. So, Aditi, go fast, 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 say fast,
I mean,
fast.
told that you'll have a lottery of who wants to be the commentator.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you. Aradhya, say.
Ma'am, since like we don't have much time now, can we do like a game kit match? It's very short.
Gimkit, what match of what?
Knockout one.
Knock back. Vedant, say.
Ma'am, can I be the commentator?
No, not at all. Wait, what am I doing? Yeah, this. Okay, I'm not sure which all games are added here already. Guys, please, no, no, no. If I take your suggestions, then it will take a lot of time. So let's go by spinning the wheel. The one in which the wheel stops, okay? You can vote for it, okay? Fine. We'll have 3 spins. Hands down, all hands down, quick. Actually, we will save time and we'll just go check the 3 spins, okay? Mishika, hands down. Okay, cafe. Any for cafe? You want to raise hand for that? 3, 4, 5. 5 people. Okay, thank you. Oh, 8 people. Okay, 8 people. Nice. 9 people for cafe. Okay, done, done, done. Hands down, hands down, hands down. Hands down, hands down, hands down. Hands down, Nanika. Arnav, hands down. Oh my God, again a cafe. This directly denotes that we are going for cafe only. It's okay. No need of raising hand. That no need of raising hand. We have got 2 times cafe, so let's play cafe only. But yeah, one more spin. Hands down. Okay, this one is going to knock out. Knockout is that knockback only. Knockback, knockout. Hands raised. Raise your hands if you want knockback. That shooting one where you fall from here and there. Oh my God, 14. Okay, knockback. Fine, thank you. And next time we'll have cafe. Okay.
Knockout. Please, ma'am. Played it already. Yesterday's last
Sorry.
Monday, please.
What to do,
Excuse me,
Mishika?
ma'am. Excuse me,
Say,
ma'am.
Ad-
Ma'am, I see your
say, Arnav.
video. Ma'am, I see your video.
Great.
That one. Thank
Hey,
you.
yeah, last class
I
video
will
also
send-
I've added.
Yeah, ma'am,
I've added last class video also.
ma'am, how to play cafe?
Cafe is nothing. You just have to.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry. Yeah, so in cafe we are not playing it right now. Oh yeah, why did I go into Blue Kit then? Ah, so sorry. Say, Adya.
Ma'am, by mistake.
Vedant.
Ma'am, I just raised my hand for a too long time for waiting for a long.
Okay, fine. I'm sending you the link, everyone. Join fast.
Ma'am, I
Sending,
think
sending,
game
not
is going
send.
to be.
What?
Miss, excuse me.
1 second. Bhumik, complete your sentence. I've sent the link in the main chat. Say Samriddhi. Okay, wait. After Bhumik. Bhumik. Huh?
I like knockout game. I
Okay,
like
fine. Samriddhi say.
no.
That's fine. We are playing that. Samriddhi say.
Miss, could I leave?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Bye, Samriddhi. Everyone is in?
I think
Okay.
I will win. No,
Let's
ma'am,
do
I
this.
will win.
You have enough energy, so don't worry. You can answer 2-3 questions. That will also be enough. Oh no. Sadhna, why are you standing still like that?
Ma'am, this game is really hard for me in the computer. I
I am
can't
also playing in the computer.
Ma'am, I can't control the keys. It's like
Why? Good job, Hanifa. Okay, you tell me what is the problem. I'll try to solve it. You have to move with the AWSD keys or the arrow keys. You know the arrow keys?
yes, ma'am. Tap the
I don't know what.
And then you just check once how can you shoot without a mouse. Do you have a mouse, by the way?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so use the mouse. Just point at the person and click. That's all you have to do. Someone is unmuted. Please mute yourself. Wait. Who is this? Oh my God. 300% up. Sorry, Mishika. Sorry, Arnav. Devashri. Anirudh is at the top. Okay, Anirudh is stuck.
Yes, ma'am, I'm not able to shoot. I'm not able to move.
Yeah, I can see you getting damaged till 999%. Who is Mahira? Oh no. Last 1 minute, everyone, speed up. Sadhna, come. I'll tell you what to do. You shoot at me. Aim and shoot at me. Yeah. Shoot. Exactly.
Ma'am, Mahira is me.
Okay, Adya. Oh no. Oh God. And now we're shooting at the bottom. Who is this Chinese Japanese name? I'd not be like, why did I come here? Manvik Madhav. Oh no. Aradhya is also stuck. Sammy has a very nice pink cat. I like your avatar. I liked it so much that I dropped you off the platform. Sorry. Hanifa is a pro gamer, huh? Hanifa, you're just jumping it off very nicely. Oh my God. Good job, everyone. Well done. And what a
Ma'am,
perseverance. You guys
even not
stayed back
able to
so
shoot
much.
anymore.
That's okay, Aradhya. Okay, no
I
discussion of
can't
the
even
games. We are
shoot.
already
I'm
too
falling
late.
every time.
No,
Bye,
Aradhya, don't
ma'am.
worry. It's a bit of practice. Bye, everyone. Good night. And yeah, wait. Geometry set 6, 7, 8 is your homework. Okay? Don't miss out.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Take care. See you, everyone.
Bye,
Check the
ma'am.
answer key so
How
that
many
you have
times?
left out.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.